Boss, what are you doing? We're going to try to get a little more negative camber out of this thing. We can't get in here to get at our actual adjustments because of the way that this top plate is, but we're just going to move this whole thing over to here. Like so. That sheriff up there.
Yeah, good luck with that.
I got my lap belt on. Bad idea. Get him on camera. Sneaky bastard. Don't make me do it. Oh. What are you doing? Just adding some flair.
What flair?
Dude, I cut such a nice hole there.
Dude, I know. That looks so good. Look at it. It's all straight.
Huh. Yeah, they're not bad.
Yeah, that's weird.
So this is all the maintenance stuff we've been putting off for the old work truck for a while. I like using the AT205 brand, but they didn't have any in stock, so I got that. Transmission fluid, gear oil, transmission filter. We got new spark plugs, some transmission conditioner, and coil packs. Little friction modifier for the rear diff. Coil pack set. And I don't think this is getting done before we go to the track. Did you wrap it? People can't pick up their own trash, so I guess I'll do it. Pet peeve, clean up your shit, especially at a facility that's not yours. It is freaking hot outside, guys. We're gonna try to make one more run here. See how everything goes. We messed with the suspension a little bit on the car. Are your nuts stuck to your leg? No?
No, how they stuck to my leg with all the sweat running down them.
That's true.
That was it.
We'll just do one pass.
Yeah, it's just so hard to focus.
Dial it in. Let's go.
Get your head in the game. Get your head in the game. Gotta get your head in the game. Gotta get your head in the game.
Little High School Musical.
I hate High School Musical.
Don't get flustered. That was good. Connect this last one here. So I'm pretty sure we just blew the diff out of this thing. Yep, go. I'm ready. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a lot of noise coming out of that thing. Yeah, go bottom and top.
That actually feels really loose.
Feel that?
Yeah.
Check this side. So we thought the diff was blown up, but now we're home. Tell us about your ride back.
Different. The ride back was smooth.
I don't understand. Like, did it fix itself? Am I out of job or are we crazy? We got to pull this diff apart and see what we find.
I think a piece of metal just busted off one of my welds.
What do you need? All right, guys, so we got the Mustang up on the lift. So the next thing we're gonna do is drain this diff fluid and see what it looks like. So we're hoping, oddly enough, we were on the way back and it didn't make any noise on the way back from the track. That's about 15 miles away. It would have been really tough to hear the noise that it was making when I was laying on the grass at the track, but it didn't sound good at all. And when you were driving, there was a rotational noise. When I wiggled the tires up and down, you could, something just was off. So what we're thinking is maybe part of this welded diff broke off in there and now it's stuck to the magnet or up and out of the way somewhere. So we're gonna drain this diff fluid. I'm really curious to see what this looks like. So I'm gonna set you up and we're gonna get this thing off of here.